make my temperature rise. She make me want suicide. I cry whenever she's twisted. Bitch, go collect for the I know you needed me, but I needed you more. When did this love become about keeping score? I don't know, but I'm trying to figure this out on my own. Take me to paradise and call me back home. Make me feel young again as I'm growing old. There's some things you can't control, but I think I know a thing or two about love, 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 love. They'll steal it when you need it and they'll... You're so irreplaceable. Ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living on cloud nine. Am I the only one who dreamed this up? And I've been standing on these highlights, waiting till the time's right to make you mine.
I know we lack communication, but you've been locked in for a while, a lot of days spent doing your thing so you can make it to those places. Get to the level we all know that you can take it. And you might wonder if it's worth it. It's not a question cause you're special, you deserve it. And at the end of the day, you still got this time to live. This is only the beginning, let's enjoy it to the end. Though sometimes inside you feel empty, we can make it right if you with me. So tonight we'll light up this city, hoping to find the time that we're missing. I hope we find this time that we're missing. Yeah. So let's set the vibration and make the rhythm feel like mental vacation. Yeah, destination to come with a little patience. We slow it down but never stop acceleration. No hesitation. Time and place, clock don't stop, no time to waste. I know you always worry about the minor things, but I got what you need to give your mind a break. Though sometimes inside you feel empty, we can make it right if you with me. So tonight
such a crime, cause we're in our prime. You will be alright when the stars align, cause you are mine. at the gallery of memories, pretending you're still mine. It's a trick of a mind that's trying to hold on to a love that's dying. Cause letting go means saying goodbye, and I ain't ready for that. Cause all that I ever do is trying to get over you. I know that I gotta let you go. And all that I ever need is you right next to me. I know that I gotta let you go. Cause all I ever do, all I ever do, all I ever do is trying to get with you. Just take me downtown and drown me in the lights. I need a remedy, some melody sung by faces that I don't recognize. I'll find someone new to go home with. We both know I am looking for a friendship, and when it's done I'm running for the exit back into the blue. Cause all that I ever do is trying to get over you. I know that I gotta let you go. And all that I ever need is you right next to me. I know that I gotta let you go. Cause all I ever do, all I ever do, all I ever do is trying to get with you. 24/7, 365, that's still dawn, day and night. 24/7, 365, that's still dawn, day and night. Cause all that I ever do is trying to get over you. I know that I gotta let you go. And all that I ever need is you right next to me.
我们刚刚就是从这边出来，一出来的右手边，这边就可以接星耀樟宜，非常的方便。
Ever do is trying to get with you. All I ever do, all I ever do, all I ever do is trying to get with you. You're so irreplaceable, and everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But I'm just waiting on you to pull back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living on cloud nine. Am I the only one who dreamed this up? And I've been standing on these highlights, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me when I fall asleep. I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be a fool. Oh, when I fall asleep, I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be a fool. but you're right. She make me want suicide. I cry whenever she's twisted. Bitch call collect for the fee, draining my money from me. Always right, I don't miss it. I know it's sick, but I think that I like it. Making up is better than the bad shit. Fuck you, you hate me, I need you to walk out the door. Why you have to go and be ballistic? Keep my car, then ask if you can drive it. I love you, I hate you for stealing my vibe. Where did this go? Absolutely no place. How did it feel? So good. Who do you know? Fucking my mind. How does it feel? So good. She took the air out my chest. My shrink thinks I am obsessed. Just cause I have a follow. I bet she's cheating on me. I see the eyes on her feet. She lives on membership fees and sushi. The global landscape softly spineless. Fuck this middle-age crisis.